Comedies, yes, but she pushes people into some kind of personal crisis, even though crisis is, seems ridiculous. And at those crisis moments, very universal human things come out. People will always somehow squabble or get into conflict or row in some way, and then it will push to an extreme. And what happens to people when they're in those extreme situations?
Don't imagine for a moment that I'm in the least afraid. If we are to be thrown down the abyss, I shall know how to behave. It's almost worth a lesson. Oh, my dear friends, this is a wonderful example of brotherhood. Here we are, four of us in this little cage. Four of us who half an hour ago didn't even know each other.
I knew you, Susan.
Don't call me dear.
I didn't, dear.
And in a few minutes, we shall all perish together. After all, it is her house. Yes, dear, you said that before. Don't think I want to stay here. It's a hideous, loathsome house, and the kitchen range is a regular brute. And that stuffed duck makes me sick.
We all feel that we've kind of discovered something quite special here.